Most people think SEO is just about finding keywords, but there's a lot more to it. Here's how MetricVault AI makes the process much easier. The first tool is bulk analysis. Instead of checking keywords one by one, you can analyze dozens or even hundreds of keywords in a single search. Simply paste your keyword list and click Analyze. MetricVault quickly gathers important SEO metrics, like search volume, keyword difficulty, and search intent for every keyword at once. This makes it much easier to compare opportunities, remove weak keywords, and focus only on the ones with the highest potential. If you're working with large keyword lists, this tool can save a significant amount of time. Next is Keyword Gap, one of the most useful tools for competitor research. It compares your website with another website and identifies keywords that your competitor is ranking for, but you are not. Instead of guessing what content to create next, you can use this data to discover missed opportunities and build articles that target valuable search terms. This is an excellent way to grow your organic traffic by learning directly from competitors already performing well in search results. Once you've collected keyword ideas, the next step is staying organized. That's exactly what Keyword Manager is designed for. Instead of copying keywords into spreadsheets, you can save them directly inside MetricVault AI. You can group related keywords, keep track of your research, and organize different projects in one place. This makes content planning much cleaner, especially when you're managing multiple websites or SEO campaigns. This is where topic research becomes incredibly useful. Simply enter a broad topic, and MetricVault generates related content ideas, questions, and keyword clusters that people are actively searching for. Instead of wondering what to write next, you get a roadmap of topics that can help attract more organic traffic. It's a great tool for planning blog posts, YouTube videos, or even building an entire content strategy around a single niche. Even your best performing articles won't stay on top forever. Search rankings naturally change over time as competitors publish new content and search trends evolve. The Content Decay Detector helps identify pages that are gradually losing visibility and traffic. Instead of waiting until your rankings disappear completely, you can update those pages with fresh information, improve the content, and recover lost traffic before it becomes a bigger problem. The final tool is the internal linking engine. Internal links help both visitors and search engines understand how your website is connected. Rather than manually deciding which pages should link to one another, this tool automatically recommends relevant internal links based on your content. A stronger internal linking structure improves website navigation, distributes SEO authority across your pages, and helps search engines discover important content more efficiently.
That's a quick look at MetricVault AI's SEO tools. Everything you need for keyword research and content planning is in one place. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.